My name is Christy Leonard. I'm 40 years old. I have 5 amazing boys. I was married to an amazing man, Tony Leonard. He unfortunately passed away when he was 46 years old of stomach cancer. Tony and I loved to go out and eat. We always had date night every Friday or Saturday night. However, it always got cut short because he'd had to go to the bathroom as soon as we were done eating. A couple of years into it, he started complaining that his stomach would burn when he would eat. So he changed his diet to chicken and fish. I made Tony go to the doctor on his 39th birthday. His doctor and I told him he needed to go get his stomach checked out. We didn't think it was going to turn into, you have cancer. The day we were sitting in the doctor's office, February 4th, I'll never forget it, and they told us he had cancer, I felt like somebody reached right into my heart and pulled it out. We went to the major hospital and they told us they were going to take his stomach out. It was a Monday. They took his stomach out Friday, our son's 4th birthday. The day they told him they were taking his stomach out, my jaw dropped. He said, "Too easy when you want to do it." That was Tony. He just, whatever I got to do to stay around is his mentality. It was definitely scary. The hospitals were great. They told us treatment plans and how they were going to do things over the next 6 to 12 months and what that looked like. So there was a plan, and I felt really good about that. We had 5 very challenging years after all the treatment. He was constantly sick. He had a very difficult time eating. But Tony had a drive. Tony was not going to let this cancer take him down. So I truly believe it was his ambition and love of being a father and husband that really kept him going.